Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Guys, welcome to Tax Thalaiva Tips video series where I'll be discussing various issues which students face in the direct tax paper, be it at CA inter level or CA final level. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you a very common issue which students face. That is, sir, we remember all the tax provisions, but when it comes to solving the questions, we are failing. We are not able to get the correct answer. So that problem I am going to address, and I'll give you a amazing tip, a step by step procedure how you can, you know, solve resolve this kind of a issue. So see, the very first thing is you need to understand the nature of this subject, taxation. See, papers like accounts or costing are purely practical papers where you know the concept. Once you know the concept, immediately you can apply on any kind of question and you can crack it. Similarly, tax paper is actually a mix of both theory and practical. It is not only practical paper or neither exclusively a theory paper. It is actually a mix of theory and practical paper. When I say theory, you need to remember all the provisions which are there in the Income Tax Act. And when it comes to practicality means whenever you solve the questions, you need to apply those provisions into the question. So it is a mix of theory and practical. Sir, how do we approach, sir? Because whenever we remember all the provisions, whenever we start the solving the questions, we are getting stuck. Actually, the pen doesn't move at all. We don't even know how to present the answer. So first step is, boss, make sure that you know all the provisions of that. That is step one. Step two is practice, practice, practice. How much ever possible, to the maximum extent possible, commit all kind of mistakes possible, boss. I know initially, whenever you are solving a particular concept based questions, you would commit lot of mistakes. Let's say, for example, very simple question I'll take. Say in the question it is given that a particular person is a non-resident. He is aged 64 years, and the question is asking you to compute the total tax liability. See, the very first problem is what you will not consider that the person is non-resident and the age is 65. The moment you look at the 65 age, you immediately apply the higher basic exemption limit, which is wrong. So what you have missed here is that the person is a non-resident. The first mistake which students generally commit is they don't read the question carefully. The moment you see that 65 years of age, you think that okay, higher basic exemption limit, let me apply the that particular slab rate, where you go wrong. So the first thing is read the question very, very carefully. Number two, once you read the question, connect the respective provision. Number three, then try to apply the provision to that particular question. And if you find that you are going somewhere wrong while you are practicing the questions, take a notebook and write all those places wherever you are going wrong. Write those and make a note of those places or those things which you are going wrong on, and make sure that you are not repeating the same mistake again when you are practicing this question again the next time. So four tips I am giving you. Step number one is read the question carefully. Step number two, connect that question with the respective provision of the act. Step number three, try solving it with the provision, apply the provision. If you are committing any mistake, make a note of where you are committing the mistake. Step number four, repeat or re-practice that question again and check and ensure that you are not going again wrong in that particular thing, or you are not committing the same mistake again, until you get that confidence that yes, boss, in this particular concept I am not making any kind of mistakes. Is when you can ensure that you are 100% perfectly ready for the examination. I hope these four step procedure will be definitely helpful for your tax paper. In order to get more such content and more such tax Thalaiva tips for you, I am doing a lot of effort, boss. So I would require you to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you genuinely like my content. You can watch my YouTube channel Tax Thalaiva. I've uploaded lot of amazing content on income tax, be it revision videos, marathon videos on how to crack tax paper, how to get exemptions, and lot of other stuff has been already uploaded. You can definitely subscribe to this channel. 100% English, pure English content related to tax paper you will find on this channel, guys. So I hope you like this video. Lot of other tax Thalaiva tips will be followed after this video. So please do subscribe so that you get the notification as soon as I release those videos. Take care. Bye bye.